I'll see you at 6 to 8 on Wednesday. When I'm also like, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Like some people's parents don't get off work sometimes and they can't drive. So I'm just gonna keep the bandit open and people that need to come back. Yes, no problem. Here is the coming home week stuff. I can post this on the Facebook page. I'm sure your other teachers haven't posted it kind of all up, or it will be. So, if you're dressed that day, some of them are really country day.
That's like every day. That's every day.
I'm excited for Jersey Sports Day because I can wear jeans that day. Toddler Thursday, that's weird. I don't know how I feel about this. 90s Day, that's my time to shine. Yes. Guitar. Toddler Day. Oh,
No, that's Toddler Day.
It's gonna be great. It's fine. Everything is fine. Everything is on fire, but it's fine. I don't know what's I don't know. Next